Hello OneMinuteLab. Today we will see how we can install and access Ubuntu server in Azure portal. So let's move to Azure portal. As you can see, we are in Azure portal. Here click on virtual machines. Now click on create and click on virtual machine. In resource group, scroll down and choose your resource group. In virtual machine name, give any meaningful name. In region, default region is good for our testing purpose. In image, click on drop down menu and choose Ubuntu server 20.04, which is latest version of Ubuntu server. In authentication type, we have two different types. One is SSH public key and other is password. We can choose any one of them. I am going with password. Click on password, give any username and set any password. After providing password, scroll down to inbound port rules. We need SSH port to access Ubuntu server. By default, SSH port is allowed. So click on next. We do not need add any extra storage. Click next. We are going with default networking settings. Click next. In management, we do not need to add anything extra. Click next. In advanced, we are going with default. Click next. In tags, you can provide any tag Ubuntu server. In name, type name. In value, type any meaningful name for your Ubuntu server. Then click next. As you can see, our validation passed successfully. Now click on create. As you can see, our deployment is in progress. Here we have to wait 2 to 3 minutes to complete this deployment. As you can see, our deployment is completed successfully. Now click on go to resource. Here in essentials you can find public IP address. I am just copying this IP address. Here we need PuTTY to access our Ubuntu server. I have already installed PuTTY. Type PuTTY in search bar and click on PuTTY. Here paste the IP address and click on open. In login as, type username and hit enter. Now type password and hit enter. As you can see, now we are in our my-ubuntu server, which we have recently created. Now type sudo space apt-get space update and hit enter. Here you can see this is fetching all update patches for Ubuntu server. Hope you like this video. See you in next video.